going to be doing a science experiment. So for this science experiment, we're going to be needing 6 items. So the main items are baking soda, sugar, some salt, and pepper. So also the other items that we need to do this science experiment is a teaspoon and a transparent cup, but it doesn't have to be a glass one, because I'm going to be using a glass because it's transparent and it's really good to see. So this science experiment is going to be about, so if these are all solid items. So we'll be seeing if they dissolve in water or they don't dissolve in water. So first, let's start off with our baking soda. So you will also be needing a sink to fill the water in this glass and a spoon to mix it. Okay, so let's get started now. So first we were going to start with the baking soda. So all we need to do is get this cup and fill it with water, and it has to be in room temperature or warmer. So I'm going to use some warm water. Half of the cup, like this much, is fine. So now we have the cup. So let's see what it does. Okay, in this cup, I'm going to be adding the baking soda. So once I add the baking soda, we're actually going to add it in this spoon, because this is a teaspoon, and we're only supposed to keep a teaspoon in here. So, teaspoon of all of these items, but not at once. So, let's just keep it on here and see if it is a teaspoon. Okay, this looks like a teaspoon. It's full. So now, let's directly add it in here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but on the bottom, there's still some of it. So let's mix it and let's see what happens. So it looks like it's getting dissolved. So before we see anything, what do you guys think will happen to this? I'm thinking it'll get dissolved. So let's see what happens. So once I keep mixing it, if I see from above, don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually forming a little bit of a pile on the bottom. So like right over here, I don't know if you can see, like over here. So like it's right there. So I think there's also some dissolved on the top and some left on the bottom. So, but most of it is on the top. So I feel like most of it is on the bottom. Yeah, so we can say that it did not dissolve. So I guess our theory was wrong for once, but we still have a lot of items to cover. So let's now empty all of the used water and wash your hands because it might get on your hands. Okay, so don't forget to rinse it before. Let's take all of it out. Okay, let's take all of it out, guys. So since we now know what happened to the baking soda, let's see on our next item. For the next item, let's do the sugar. Okay, so let's fill it up. That's pretty warm. Let me add some more. And that's pretty warm. Okay. So now, let's take this sugar and keep it on our thing. And let's not make it drop. So, yep. And I think we might have just filled it up. So, now guys, let's directly keep it in this cup. So now once we keep it in this cup, it should probably, what do you guys think? So I think it will definitely not dissolve. Because if you see closely, this is our cube. And they're like chunky whenever you eat it plain. So I feel like it might not dissolve. So like you guys should write this in a journal and compare your thoughts with the reality. Okay, so since I remember my thoughts, let's just keep it slowly in there. Let's empty it up and just mix it. Okay, mixing. Oh, okay. So I think you guys might have seen that. If you cannot see, actually, when I'm mixing it, it's like that. But then it just forms on the bottom. It just forms a pile on the bottom. So, guys, I think we are wrong. Yeah, I'm right. I don't know about you, but I think I'm right because it did form everything on the bottom. So, now our theory is correct. But we still have 2 more items to go. So let's close this and keep this aside. So next we will do the salt. So first, rinse everything. Keep forgetting to do that. Okay, so now, okay, I filled it up with water now. So now let's add the salt. Just take this teaspoon from here to here. Take that there. More. Guys, don't remember to do this evenly. So like it won't like go the experiment won't go wrong. Okay, so now we have gotten a full teaspoon of salt. Now let's keep it in there. Okay, it's fine if it just sticks. You guys can still mix it because it's the same water. Okay, so I'm seeing that it's just a pile on the bottom while I'm mixing it. Don't know about you, but now I'm going to take it out. I think you guys can see that in the middle. Over here, yep, it's forming. But actually everything. Okay, the salt did not dissolve, but the taste got, but let's see. So I'm going to rub it to my hand and smell it. Okay, so I smelled it and the salt taste got on the water, but it did not dissolve. Some of it might have dissolved, but most of it did not. So actually, I forgot to predict. So actually, I'm gonna tell the truth here. What I predicted was that I thought it would dissolve because for us, thin as that, it might be like very easy to get mixed into the water. So I thought that, but my theory was wrong. So let's just move on to the next one. Put the salt aside. Now rinse it. Guys, don't forget to keep it at pretty warm water. Hot water is fine too, but I just kept it at mid-warm range. Okay, so now I just take this teaspoon and keep it on here. I'll keep doing it until it fills up. Or you guys can just use half of it. Okay, so I'm going to use that much. Some of it might have spilled, but it's okay. So, now we have got our pepper. Take a close look at how the pepper looks. I never actually done that before. Okay, so now directly onto the point. So, let's dump it in there. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but it actually just stays still on the water. So in my theory would be that it's actually going to dissolve because normally everything like goes to the bottom, but the pepper here what's happening is that they're actually in the bottom too. They're actually all around the water and on the bottom. So let's mix it and see what will happen. Okay, the pepper just changed water into something else. Okay, it actually didn't dissolve. I still see it running through the water. So, but to actually make sure, let's see if it did. Well, in my thing, I don't think it did dissolve. I think you guys see that too. It's just at the bottom as a pile. So, I guess that we were wrong again. But it's okay, guys. Since it's an experiment, we can get some wrong theories and some right theories. People who got everything right, good job, guys. You guys are good at science. So, people who didn't, it's okay. I'm going to be doing more videos like this. So, if you like this video, smash that like button and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!